Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Ruth. If you're returning, thank you so much for coming back to another video. So we finally have a sit down, a break from the vlogs. So I am joined by the beautiful Winky. Introduce yourself, girl.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm kidding. Hi, I'm Winky, but you can call me White Mott. My channel is White Mott in all social media platforms.
Yeah.
What should I say? I don't know.
You should subscribe to your channel. And follow me on Instagram.
Please do subscribe to my channel. I do vlogs, sit down, motherhood videos, makeup, beauty. I'm all about makeup, beauty, and things like that.
Yeah.
Subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram.
Yeah. So I invited Winky over on this channel so we can
Have fun.
Seriously. So we can have fun. So we're gonna be playing the spelling bee. So I wrote a few names on a phone over here, and then she has her names there. So she's gonna call for me, and then I'm gonna call for her to spell. So yeah. I'm so nervous because
Hey, spelling? No way.
I don't think I'm the best when it comes to spelling. So
Copy this thing, when you type and then
exactly, autocorrect.
Autocorrect.
It is an autocorrect, so I
Autocorrect.
don't really bother. First two words I like it's an autocorrect has been. So this time around,
Don't
I
judge
have
us.
to, yeah, no, actually, don't. So yeah, I think you can start. Should I start? Oh, I'm gonna give you an easy one. Eucalyptus.
What?
Eucalyptus. Yeah, oil. It's been famous like in COVID. The one that people used to steam.
Are you trying to?
You don't know it.
I don't know it. What is that?
Are you serious?
What is an oil?
Hey,
It's for what?
where have you been this entire COVID time? Where?
I do work in COVID, so I don't. And medically, we don't know it.
How am I gonna medically? Are you serious? So you don't have it in your house?
No,
How do you can just oil?
no.
Child, I don't know. You can go. I don't know. I guess you can talk because I gave you everything there is. So you can just. There's actually a flower. I think it's a flower. I don't know. But yeah, I know Woolies has it like amongst like the flowers that they sell.
Where am I living? Like under a rock? Am I living under a
Clearly.
rock?
I'm
I
really
don't know
shocked
it,
actually.
Like,
Oh, serious?
So like when you get a point, this side you
Yeah.
get a point. You
Yeah.
just like 1, 0. So first one, simply.
Simply.
Yeah, spell simply.
Oh, okay. Simply or simply Asia. SIMPLY. Simply.
You see, I'm being a girl. And then you can cheers, God.
I'm very sure that you don't know eucalyptus oil. Like, serious. Who words has it? Like, somebody got me flowers recently.
Yeah,
So now when I get eucalyptus
I saw it in Tending Gamma's.
Yeah.
Flower.
Yeah.
I really didn't know about it.
Really?
I don't know what it. By for.
I like how it looks. I don't
Yeah,
know
it
if
looks
the
good.
tree itself has some benefits, but I didn't make it a better amongst flowers and it looks very nice. Yeah.
Okay.
Aesthetic style.
Nice. Okay.
Anyway, so it's my turn, right? Q. Line.
It's Q.
Yeah.
W.
Very cute. Q moment.
It's Q-U-E.
Hello.
Q-U-E. Yeah.
No. It's Q-U-E-U-E. U-E-U-E. I know. It's one of those things that she say, but she never knows how to spell it.
How to spell it?
Yeah, even if you ask her.
Because of autocorrect, right?
Yeah.
Embarrassing.
I know.
Okay. A resolution. Spell a resolution.
Resolution. R-E-S-O-L-U-T-I-O-N. Resolution.
How many points do I have? 0?
Zero! Ah, what the hell? What the hell? Okay, so my next word is limousine. Limousine.
Ma.
How is that? Limousine.
No. A limousine. L-I-M-O-Z-I-N.
No.
What was L-I?
Yeah.
L-I-M-O. I got Z-I-N-E.
No. L-I-M-O-U-S-I-N-E.
I don't know. Wait. Stop the cameras. Cut the cameras.
Limousine again.
But I want to marry. No way.
Are they difficult words?
Not difficult.
No. Yeah, English teacher got it.
No.
So, I
thought
thought
it's me.
Yeah.
It's me.
Yeah. And then I'm on Google.
Omnibus.
Omnibus. What was in the lessons word?
Omnibus.
I'm sorry to tell you.
No omnibus.
Okay, I think it's O-M-N-I-B-U-S. Omnibus.
What?
O-M-N-I-B-U-S.
Why am I giving her?
No, it's because I used to watch a lot of Generations back in the days. So Omnibus I think is on Saturday. That's why I'm asking more about Omnibus or Generations or what.
Okay.
So it's my turn. I was shooting ice by the way. Misspell.
Misspell. M-I-S-S. M-I-S-S-P-E-L-L.
Yes, girl! I thought you were going to say one S. Who thought I was say?
One point for you. Final. It's okay. You got me by the neck. Hey, Nick. Okay, 0 man. In a 0 man. Okay. We said other words like all the 5-5. I think we should continue.
Is it? Yeah, we should. Yeah. It's my turn, eh? Oh no, you just spell, so yeah, your one is just giving a break.
Please spell obituary.
Obituary.
Gafu.
Okay, you said this now.
Please spell obituary. I stand my way.
Obituary.
Spell obituary, please, for me. For us.
I'm not too sure. I think O-B-I-O-B-Actually, I'm not but I'm just going to make it.
Spell obituary.
Okay, Obituary.
What is wrong with you?
Oh, I got it right, honey. Period.
What is wrong? She got it right.
I actually didn't think I was gonna get it.
There's something wrong with your brain. Like, how can you just grab so much words?
No, what I'm a smart girl. I'm sleeping on myself. Yeah. Okay, spell bizarre.
B-I-Z-A-I-R-E.
Moment.
B-I. Bizarre. B-I-Z-Z-A-I-R-E.
No way. It's B-I-Z-A-R-R-E. What is it?
I was so sure.
No, I didn't know because I spell bizarre. I was gonna look at you like, what? Bizarre.
I was so sure.
Yeah.
I can't even find your word.
It's one of those words.
Spell controversy.
Controversy. Controversy. C-O-N-T-R-O. Controversy. V-E. I have to go back. I don't know if there's an R. Controversy. R-S-Y. Controversy. What? C-O-N-T-R. Not T-R. Control. T-R-O. Controversy. V-E-R-S-Y. Okay. Yes. Are you still scared?
Yeah.
Yeah. I didn't know what the R like. Please. I almost spelled it like controversy. Yeah. You know, guys. No.
Do you have a 1 point?
Yeah, you have 1 point. My English teacher needs to get me flowers for this. Girl, I'm representing you. Seriously. So, my next word is Caribbean.
It's C-A-R-R. Look at my neck. C-A, right? Get double B, get double R. Can't man with the word.
I know you do.
Like, what the fuck is wrong? But I'm smart, guys.
I mean, duh, you work in a hospital.
I'm smart. Let me give them like I should. Guys, I'm smart. I have a degree. I work now.
What do I work in a hospital?
I work in a hospital.
So like I'm
a whole health worker.
Imagine. And it doesn't come easy.
Like I don't have to know words.
No, I'm gonna quality of what you got them. You know what honey is your local. So that can make sense.
Caribbean. I know like S-C-A.
Yeah.
R-I-B-B-E-A-N.
Yes, girl.
S-W-B.
C-A. No, C-A. Hey, it is C-A-R-I-B-B-E-A.
Caribbean girls. Girls.
This is all about Caribbean. I guess so.
Phenomenal.
Phenomenon.
Yeah.
But when I get that, yeah. Phenomenon. P-H-E-N-O.
She's gonna get it right.
M-E After this, I don't know. I'm just gonna say N-O-N.
You gotta try it.
Really? So why would you say phenomenal? Like, you got a phenomenal. Why then? I'm like, why?
You gotta try.
Phenomenal.
I say like a phenomenon, something big. Phenomenal. This was so phenomenal.
I think I'm used to people using phenomenal.
Yeah.
So I wasn't even sure if.
Yeah, I got it from the internet.
Okay, so my last word is consensus.
This girl want to show my internet reputation. What?
Consensus.
S C-O.
Yes, yeah.
N S-O. Had the C-O-N-S. Had the C-O-N-C-E-S-O-R-S.
What I don't know what's okay.
A-S. Not R. We delete the R-S.
Huh?
C-O-N C-E-N-S-O-S. S-O-R-S.
No. It's
C-E-C-E-R-S.
No.
C-E-S.
No.
I'm done. It's over. It's over for me.
C-O-N-S-E-N-S-U-S.
Yeah, I know it.
Thank you so much to you guys for watching, and thank you to YT for joining our channel for a little break from the vlogs. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I enjoyed filming this. It was fun. I enjoyed it.
Fun.
So please, as you watch through the video, kindly just write down what you think, like how you think the words are going to spell.
Spell the words yourself.
But, exactly, spell the words yourself, but remove your autocorrect. Okay, so just we see we're not alone. I know for sure we're not alone. Okay.
Yeah.
So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching. I will definitely see you guys next week. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also subscribe to YT's channel. She's on the way to 2,000 subscribers. Okay, you don't want to miss out on her videos. She posts literally everything.
Yeah.
Vlogs, makeup, like beauty, motherhood, everything. She's a new mom, so you don't want to miss that out, guys. Literally, I loved your review. I loved it. It was so beautiful.
And it's my daughter. Stop
I'm
taking
like, oh yes, go.
I'll try.
Yeah. You're setting the bar too high though. Banyana. Anyways, yeah, I think we're done.
Yeah.
I'll see you guys next week.
Oh, another one from here. We want to like do this collaboration thing
more often.
As Motswana YouTubers, like
Yeah.
we have to collaborate. We have to like meet up.
Yeah.
Things like they are the things that like make us grow as YouTubers. So comment down below what you on a topic that you want us to do.
Yeah. And also other YouTubers that you guys like that I would possibly collaborate with.
Yeah.
So that I make them happen.
Thank you guys for your viewing.
Thank you. Bye.